Good morning students. Today's class is continuation of that quadratic equations. It's a part of it. Intersection of a line and a quadratic curve. As I showed the condition earlier, when the line and a curve intersect in only one place, the condition is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. And when they are intersecting in two places, the condition is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. And when they are not intersecting at all, b square minus 4ac is less than 0. This line, when it's meeting at only one point, is also called a tangent to the curve at this point. Are we clear? And this point, coordinates of this point will be present both on the line and as well as on the curve. Now look at this sum. Find the value of k for which y equal to x plus k is a tangent to the curve this. That means this curve is this one and this line is given over here. Does this line and the curve have a point in common? Yes, that means their y coordinate has to be equal. So x plus k equal to x square plus 5x plus 2. I am equating both the y coordinates because there is a point common in both the curve and the line. Now get the quadratic equation. Bring all to one side. X square plus 5x minus x plus 2 minus k equal to 0. So it will become x square plus 4x plus 2 minus k equal to 0. Now you need to use this tangent condition. Tangent means at only one point. At only one point means what should be happen to b square minus 4ac. Whenever tangent and a line and a curve meeting at only one point, b square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. Is it of the form ax square plus bx plus c? Yes. So what is the value for a? 1, value for b is 4, value of c is 2 minus k. Use this condition now. In place of b it is 4 which is 16 minus 4 into a is 1, c is 2 minus k equal to 0. Cut 4 and 16. So it is 4, you need to multiply with negative sign, minus 2 plus k equal to 0. So what will be the value for k minus 2? Are we clear? So whenever he said tangent, I should use this condition. To use this condition, I should have a quadratic equation. To get a quadratic equation, I need to equate both the y coordinates of both. I need to make y the subject in both line and as well as curve and equate them. Next sum. Find the set of values of k for which y equal to kx minus 1 intersect the curve at 2 points. Now at 2 points means the graph looks like this. So what is the condition whenever it intersect in 2 points? B square minus 4ac should be greater than 0. For that, do I have a quadratic equation? No. So the first step is equating the y in both line and as well as curve. So kx minus 1 equal to x square minus 2x. I am equating because there is a y value same for both. At this point, y value will be same for the line and as well as for the curve. For this point also y value will be same for the line and the curve. Are we clear? Why am I equating? Next, you should make it into a quadratic equation. So x square minus 2x minus kx plus 1 equal to 0. Take x common. What do I get? Minus 2 minus k plus 1 equal to 0. Compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So what is the value for a? 1. Value for b is minus, if I take common I get 2 plus k. And value for c is 1. Am I clear till here? Now at 2 points he said. So the condition is b square minus 4ac greater than 0. In place of b I have this minus whole square is plus. So only 2 plus k whole square minus 4 into 1 into 1. greater than 0. So this will become 4 plus k square plus 4k minus 4 greater than 0. This 4 will get cancelled. K I take common, k plus 4 greater than 0. So what are the two values for k that I get? 0 and minus 4. I have got inequality here. So many a times it's coming. Inequality means we are going with number line. If I take a value here, say 1, and I keep in this equation, what is my result, positive or negative? It's a positive one. That means automatically here it has to be negative and here it has to be positive. The entire equation should be greater than 0 means on the number line wherever it's positive, that is the answer. So k can either be less than minus 4, this part, or it can be greater than 0, which is this part. So greater than, less than minus 4 or greater than 0 are the possible values for k. Are we clear? This condition is playing the important role. Equating the y values in both line and the curve, getting quadratic equation, writing ABC, then using the condition, and finally, if inequality is there, number line. Next, third sum. Find the values of k for which the line is a tangent to the curve this. Find the value of k. It is. I don't get two values. It's only value of k for which it's a tangent. It's a tangent means what is the condition? B square minus 4ac should be equal to 0. To use that, I should get a quadratic equation. To get that quadratic equation, at this point, the y values for y values are present both on the line and curve are same. So y on the curve is 5 by x minus 2. What is the value of y on the line at that point? Here y is not the subject. So you need to make y the subject first. Then equate both the values for y. So for the curve is this and for the line it is this one. Are we clear? If y is not the subject in both, you need to make the subject and then equate. Now get the quadratic equation by cross multiplying. It will become 5k equal to x minus 2 into 12 minus x. So it is 12x minus x square minus 24 plus 2x. Bring alt or else shift this to this side. Minus x square will become plus x square. Here plus 2x plus 12x plus 2x is plus 14x, coming this side minus 14x. Minus 24 comes this side plus 24. Minus 5k equal to 0. Right, let's continue. Here it is plus 5k, right? This is on the same side. Now in place of, compare it with ax square plus bx plus c. In place of a it is 1, in place of b it is minus 14, in place of c it is 24 plus 5k. Now use the condition b square minus 4ac equal to 0. So b 14 square 196 minus 4 into a is 1 and 24 plus 5k equal to 0. 4 goes 4, 4 16, 49. So it is 49 minus 24 minus 5k equal to 0. From this I get k value to be 5. This is the answer. If y was not the subject, I made y the subject and then equated, got the quadratic, then used the condition to get the value of k. Am I clear with this? Now, the line y equal to k minus 3x is a tangent to the curve. Find the possible values of k. Let us talk about second bit later. In the first bit, it's a tangent given. So what will I do? I will direct equate both the y coordinates. So y for the line is k minus 3x. How much is y for the curve? So make y the subject from here. How much will it become? First I send 20 to this side, then x square by 2x. And I'm equating both the y coordinates. Are we clear? As we were doing the same thing, making y the subject and equating both. Then now it will become k minus 3x into 2x equal to 20 minus x square. So it is 2kx minus 6x square equal to 20 minus x square. Now bring all to one side. I am shifting this to this side. So minus 1 plus 6 will become 5x square. This also being shifted this side. So minus 2kx plus 20 equal to 0. Now since the line was a tangent given, what is the condition? B square minus 4ac equal to 0. In place of a it is 5, in place of b it is minus 2k, in place of c it is 20. So b square is 4k square minus 4ac, 5 into 20 equal to 0. Cancel 4. So it is k square minus 100 equal to 0. So values of k are plus or minus 10. Are we clear till here? It's a tangent. I got the quadratic equation by equating the y coordinates, use the condition, got the values of k. Now look at second bit. For each value of k, find the coordinates of point of contact of tangent with the curve. So coordinates of this point they are asking us now. Let us take first k value to be plus 10 in the first case. Where will I use this k to be plus 10 to get the value for x or y? If I observe all this, k I can use it here to get the value for x. So you place it there. So 5x square minus 2 into plus 10 will be 20x plus 20 equal to 0. Did we understand? Since each goes in 5 table, I cancel it. X square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. If I factorize the value for x, I get is 2. Now, so x value I got to be 2. How much is y value? In the line equation is nothing but y equal to k minus 3x. In place of k it is 10 minus 3 times 2 equal to 10 minus 6 equal to 4. So coordinates of my point are 2, 4 is the point where the line and the curve meeting. Now if the k is minus 10, again I need to place it here to get the x value. So it will become 5x square, this time plus 20x plus 20 equal to 0. Again I cancel in 5 table. So I get x square plus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. This time my x value I get to be minus 2. Now to get y I need to use k minus 3x. In place of k it is minus 10. Minus 3 into minus 2. So I get minus 4. So other value for x and y are minus 2 and minus 4. Are we clear? You need to think, where should I use this k value to get the values for x and y? So I am using it here to get x values. I am using it over here to get the values for y once I got the x values. Am I clear with this? Now next sum, find the set of values of k for which the line does not intersect the curve. Does not intersect is what you need to stress on. Does not intersect means the condition is b square minus 4ac less than 0. So get the quadratic equation first. Make y the subject. Is y the subject in this? No. So make it. It's k minus 2x here. So what is y the subject over here? 8 by x. Equate them both. So k minus 2x equal to 8 by x. Cross multiply. What do I get? Kx minus 2x square equal to 8. Send this to other side. I get 2x square minus kx plus 8 equal to 0. Quadratic equation, my a value is 2, b value is minus k and c value is plus 8. And what is the condition given here? They don't intersect means b square minus 4ac should be less than 0. That means in place of b what do I have? Minus k whole square is k square. Minus 4ac, a is 2, c is 8. Less than 0. So it is k square minus 64 less than 0. So it is k square minus 8 square less than 0. So which is nothing but k minus 8 into k plus 8 if I use a square minus b square formula. So values of k are 8 or minus 8. Since there is an inequality, number line, minus 8 plus 8. In between them 0 comes. If I place 0 in this, what is the sign that I get? 0 minus 8 minus 8 and 0 plus 8 plus 8 minus 64. That means it's negative over here. If it is negative, that means over in this part it's positive, over in this part it's positive. Result of the entire equation should be less than 0 means negative. On the number line, where all is it negative? It's negative over here. So this is my answer. So that is minus 8 less than k less than plus 8. Are we clear? They don't intersect means use this condition. To use this, you should get the quadratic. To get the quadratic, make y the subject in both and equate.